the skies open wide. Brick and beauty stretch across an acre with pride. IKEA sparkle, quartz that gleams, modern lines where you cook your dreams. Gather round the firelight glow, feel that peace that only home can show. Luxury living, country soul, every corner says you're finally home. No HOA, just freedom song. Falcon Ridge where heart.
Ready to see this beautiful home in person? Let's set up your private tour. Call or text me at 918-262-5347 and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Living Life in Tulsa, Oklahoma, for more Tulsa listings, home tours, and expert real estate insights.